Hello guys, it is me, Play Button, and today I'm gonna go camping with my friends. So, first up is Proud and Peacock. Hey Proud and Peacock, hi. What did you bring? I brung matches to set up the fire. Oh, okay. Okay. Next is Minzy. Okay, hi Minzy. What did you bring? I brung some fishing bait. Okay then. Next is Redleaf. Hey Redleaf. What did you bring? I brung some fishing poles. Wow, that's come in handy. Then we have Mushroom Icon. Hi Mushroom Icon. What did you bring? I brung some marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate, so we can make s'mores. Okay, let's go! Okay, Minzy, you said you were gonna fish, right? Yeah. So, yeah, good luck with that. Sorry. Okay. I promise Play Button. I'm gonna get something. Fishing bait. Ow! Oh, look! Oh, man, I got a bite. I got a bite. Maybe a fish. Could be a big fish. It could be a Pepsi logo. The name's Penline. Oh, sorry, Penline. You could come out now. Okay. What a beautiful day on a campfire. Also, I feel bad for you, Penline. Yeah. It's just Minzy caught me in a fishing pole while I was gonna go with you guys. Oh. Well, at least we're here. Also, Minzy, what fish did you bring? Maybe like 60? Wow, that's a lot. Anyways, where's Yellow Pencil? Oh, he's coming. Oh, hi guys. Sorry I'm late. It's okay. You can go right there. Anyways, what do we do now? I know. Let's go eat some s'mores. I'll go get marshmallows. Okay.